Hello, I received your question about the problem on page 324, number 29. Okay, let's look at that problem here. Alright, here it is. Let's see, it says, which of the following systems of equations have exactly one solution in quadrant 2? Okay, so you have one system here, you have another system here, you have a third system, you have a fourth system. So really, you don't have to work 4 problems and determine, which one is the answer. Because it does say which of the following systems, which imply, maybe that more than one systems work. Okay, and you have to understand, what does quadrant 2 mean? Okay, so come back over here. If you have your Cartesian coordinate system, you have your x and y axis. Which one is quadrant 2? Well, this here is over here is quadrant 2. Over here we have quadrant 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. X and your y-axis break the plane up into 4 areas, and we want to find out which one has a solution that's in this quadrant. Well, I wrote down the first system of equations. I'm going to work that out, and you could work out. You can similarly work out the next 3 systems of equations. What you want to do is solve this system, get the solution, the ordered pair, and see if it lies in quadrant 2. Okay, how are you going to solve this? Well, we have several methods. You can graph, you can use substitution or elimination. Any 3 methods would be okay here. This system here, the top equation's already solved for y. So it seems to me that it's ready for substitution method. Y equals x plus 3. So I'll go to the other equation. They have the steps in the book for substitution, and I'll write down the other equation, but I don't substitute in. I don't replace y. So this equation is x plus y equal -1. But instead of writing down y, I'll substitute in x plus 3. And that will result in an equation with one unknown, and I can find the value of x here, half the ordered pair. So if I add, I'd have 2x plus 3 equals -1. I want to solve that equation. I'll subtract 3. And so I have 2x equals -4. Finally, I'll divide both by 2, and I get x equal -2. So I have half the answer here. The x value is -2. I need to find the y value. Come back here wherever you want, and you can find y. Of course, this top equation would be easy to find y. Y equals x plus 3. And I'm putting in, substituting in the -2. So -2 plus 3 is 1. So one solution to this system is -2. The solution is -2, 1. You can check it. If you put in that ordered pair for each equation, it should work out. Let's see, is this ordered pair in the second quadrant? Well, -2, you'd go to the left, and then you go up 1. So that point is in the second quadrant, and so this solution to this equation is in quadrant 2. And so, I'd say yes for this first set of system equation. Now you just need to repeat this for the other 3 systems that they give you here. You got 3. We got a system here, here, and here. Hope this helps. Bye.